Next mixer is the planetary mixer. Planetary mixer again works on the same principle of shear. That is, shear is applied for breaking of the particles and mixing of the particles, so that the lumps and aggregate gets completely finished. Okay, and here we have again a moving blade, but the position of the moving blade and the type of shear applied is somewhat different when compared to that of the ribbon blender. Here the mixing arm moves in two ways. First, it is moving around its own axis, and secondly it is moving around the central axis. So we have two movements here, that is first moving on the central axis and again moving on its own axis, so that every spot or every point is reached and the complete mixing of the material take place. The plates in the blade are sloped so that the powder makes an upward movement, therefore tumbling or motion can be obtained. This is the principle of planetary mixer. This planetary mixer here. Okay, this planetary mixer, and it is having one bowl or a shell. A bowl is present here, or a cylinder is present here, and inside this we keep a blade, we keep a mixing arm which is having a blades present inside it. Okay, this mixing arm moves in two axes. First it moves on central axis, that is centrally it moves. Again internally again it moves around its own axis, so it has two movements, one with a central complete central, other it is moving on its own axis also. Okay, so this mixing arm has two ways, that is on own axis and central axis, so that the complete mixing of the material take place. These are blades present here. The blades are tilted so that the complete movement of the material take place. Okay, and here the force applied here is a shear, and the moving blades causes a mixing of the material. The construction is consisting of a vertical cylindrical shape is present, which can be removed either by lowering the bowl or by uplifting the blade, okay, above the bowl. So it can by the removing by that, by uplifting the bowl or by uplifting the blade or by lowering the bowl can be removed and the material can be taken out. Okay, the this mixing blade is again mounted from the top and is having one gear present here, that is planetary gear. This planetary gear causes the movement of rotation of the blade. Okay, the rotating, okay, it's having two rotations, that is rotating on central axis and again on its own axis also. Again we have one speed drive which can be by which the particular speed can be set here. Okay, this is the planetary mixer. The working in planetary mixer, the movement has a planetary movement. Okay, the movement is a planetary one. It rotates on its own axis as well as on the central axis, so that it reaches all the part of the vessel. And here the blades are in a shape, tilted shape, so that the complete mixing take place and the material should not be left here or there. Okay, therefore there will be no such space in the bowl that is not reached. Every space is reached and every material is getting mixed here. The blade after rotation, they tears the material apart, and again when the shear is applied, the material get completely breaking down, that is lump and the aggregate, they get completely broken down, and the mixing take place. Okay, this is the working of the planetary mixer. That is when the central shaft is rotated, when the this arm is rotated, the blades also rotate. Of rotation of the blade, what happens, the material which is present inside it also, it will getting rotated here and there. Okay, and it will be getting completely mixed. After complete mixing of the material, the arm is moved upward or the vessel is moved down, and the material is collected from the vessel either by using a scoop or by just tilting the vessel. Okay, this is how the collection of the final product take place. Okay, so in planetary mixer, the cylinder agitator has a planetary motion. It rotates on its own axis and around the central axis, so that it removes all part of the vessel. Beater is or blade is shaped so to pass that with close clearance over the side and bottom of the mixing bowl. Therefore, literally there are no dead space in the mixing bowl. The blade tears the mass apart and shear is applied between the moving blade and the stationary wall. The plates in the blade are sloped so that the powder makes an upward movement. Therefore, tumbling motion is also obtained. Initially, the blade moves slowly for pre-mixing, and finally, the speed is increased for active mixing. Thus, shear or high pressure can be applied for mixing. Emptying the bowl may be done by hand scooping or by using towels dumping the material from the bowl. Okay. Uses: it is used to produce precise blending in addition to breaking of lumps and aggregates also. Low speed is used for dry blending and fast speed is used for wet granulation. Dry blending मतलब solid blending. Wet granulation मतलब mixing of solid and the liquid. Advantages: it is more useful for wet granulation when compared to the dry granulation. Disadvantages are mechanical speed, heat is built up, requires high power, and a limited size of a batch operation can be operated by using this mixer. Okay, this is the planetary mixer.